Every strong structure begins with an even stronger foundation. At this project, we're executing a carefully planned pile foundation to ensure maximum stability and long-term durability. The process starts with accurate pile layout marking as per the structural drawings, followed by precise positioning of the piling rig. Each pile is bored to the required depth until the designed bearing strata is achieved, ensuring the building load is safely transferred to the ground. Quality, precision, and safety remain our priority at every stage of construction. Stay connected with the next build for more real construction updates and engineering insights as we transform this site into a strong and beautiful structure.